In today's video, I'm going to share with you a few ways that you can make a DIY lunchbox ice pack, also known as a makeshift ice pack, and one trick where you can use something that you probably already have in the freezer to keep your lunchbox cool. Hey, welcome to MOMables. If you're new or if you've been around for years, I'm Laura and I am so excited that you're here. On this channel, I share tons of school lunch ideas and I answer all of your how to pack questions. So make sure to hit that red subscribe button and the bell so you're notified when a new video comes up every single week. Now, ice packs are great for keeping lunches cool, and I go into detail on how do they work on another video, which I'm gonna link for you below. But today's video uses things that you have around that are not ice packs. First is the classic water bottle or juice box solution. This idea is easy, convenient, and it also gets consumed, so it's one less thing to come home. You simply place a water bottle or a juice box in the freezer the night before, and in the morning you place it in the lunch bag along with your food. Now both items are gonna slowly thaw out over time and they'll keep the temperature of the lunch bag chilled for hours. Before I share what ice pack to use for yogurts or that sponge ice pack trick, I should tell you that I have this free printable lunchbox builder that's gonna help you pack lunches super fast in the mornings with ingredients that you have on hand, and I've linked it for you below in the description box. Now, if the primary reason for adding an ice pack in the lunch bag is to keep yogurts like these cool, you can freeze them and they become their own ice pack. Yes, you can add them in the lunch bag frozen and they'll thaw out slowly over time and they'll still be cool for lunch. The frozen sponge idea is one of those hacks that's circulated the internet since I first started packing lunches over a decade ago. This is where you take a sponge, you soak it up with water, put it in a zip bag and freeze it. And while it's not a bad idea in theory, and yes, it's a hack of sorts, you A, need a new sponge because otherwise it breeds bacteria, and B, they don't always come back home. It works, sure. It won't keep food cold for long though. My secret from when I'm completely out of ice packs is to go to the freezer and grab a bag of frozen veggies like peas or mixed vegetables. These you can stick in the lunch bag and they are sure to come home by the end of the day. They'll also keep things chilled in the bag. Of course, you could skip the ice packs altogether and use one of these freezable lunch bags, which is what I did last year. It has a built-in ice pack in the wall and I bought some for my kids. Now make sure to watch my other videos on how ice packs work and where to place them, as well as my top ice packs review, which I'm gonna link below for you. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Check the links below for all those helpful tips and watch this next video. See you next time.